In this lesson, we are looking at estimation and rounding. Estimating helps you determine if your answer is reasonable. If you just need to know about how much something is, or it can be used as a test-taking strategy, especially with multiple choice questions. There are three options we use when estimating. First, you can round to a given place value and then solve. If we're going to round, in this example, to the ones place value, it means we're just getting rid of all of the decimal place values. 32 and 509 thousandths. Because there is a 5 in the tenths place, we are going to round 32 up to 33. 22 and 19 hundredths, because there's a 1 in the tenths place, the 22 is going to remain the same. This gives us an estimate of 55. When we use our original numbers and do the addition, we get 54 and 699 thousandths. This, because our estimate is very close to our exact answer, can tell us that our answer is probably correct and is a reasonable answer to the problem. Another option is to use what's called front-end estimation. This is when you round the first numeral or digit in each number and solve. So that means you're going to the largest place value in each problem. 167 and 8 tenths. The largest place value is hundreds, so we are going to round to the nearest hundred, which will be 200 because of the 6 in the tens place. 57 and 2 tenths. Our largest place value is only in the tens, so we look at the ones, which is a 7, and we are going to round the 5 up to 60. Subtracting our two numbers, we get an estimate of 140. Now this estimate is going to be farther away from our exact answer because front-end estimation means your estimate is not quite as specific as it would be if you rounded. When we do our exact numbers and get our subtraction, we get 110 and 6 tenths. We know that this is still a good answer because it is close to 140. The final option is to round one number up and one number down. This balance rounding, by rounding one number to the next highest and one number to the next lowest, will give you the most exact estimate you can have. $14.67 will round up to $15. While $6.55, even though rounding rules say we should round it to 7, we are going to round it down to $6. When we add these two together, we get $21. So our exact answer should be very, very close to 21. When we go back to our original numbers and do the addition, we get $21.22, which is extremely close to our estimate, so we know it is a good answer.